yodeling, Kona?
The world's most famous polka. Everybody join along and sing with us on the barrel polka.
So we have Rishi and Kona. Are we safe and secure, everyone? Heading to the downtown McKinney. Fun festivities that they have. Got some fashion queens going on. Diva is our chocolate Shih Tzu. Bear, Bear. We have a brindle boxer. Let me see this face. He doesn't like to hold stuff. Yeah. Okay, you know what? This is why I don't want a boy dog.
I got boy dog. He's gonna mark everything. Oh, there's a smell. Let me be on it.
This is gonna be interesting. Are they yodeling, Kona?
The world's most famous polka. Everybody join along and sing with us on the barrel polka.
We have a friend of ours that has an African gray.
Oh yeah.
And it's so funny because my wife gets freaked out because she'll be whistling at him. Woo woo, woo woo. She like looks around. And the dog be like, the bird will be like, hey sexy. Hey sexy. It's quite funny.
I love African gray.
Man, it bites. That thing's biting.
Everybody but him.
Yeah, and it'll bite the mess out of you.
I know.
I'm like, he goes, just look, just get him and let him bite you. And once he bites you and he realizes you're not afraid of him, he won't never bite you again. I'm like, I don't know if I want to be that. He's like, here, have your pit bull bite me one time. And once he bites me, we're good. I'm like, no, because that thing hurts. It's got to hurt.
Right.
Goes, it doesn't hurt. Yeah. He's like, he plays with it. I'm like, yeah, but he's playing with you.
It's different because
He doesn't think your finger is a nut.
It's different because you probably bond with the bird, and the birds, they don't like strangers and everything.
Yeah, and it's crazy because they always say how the African Greys, they don't like dogs, and They're all stressed out. Man, they got like 4 kids and 6 dogs. That damn bird don't give a damn.
Yeah. Well,
It's what it was raised in.
Yeah, it's raised in.
Right,
yeah.
it's like that bird doesn't care.
For
It's
sure.
kind of cool. So when they're at their house, it's always out of the cage,
Oh, good.
sitting
Yeah.
around, walking, or to be on his shoulder as he walks around.
Yeah. That's how it should be.
Don't laugh at the outfits, but
Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Was that from Halloween or
New Year's Eve.
Oh, New
New Year's
Year's
Eve.
Eve.
Yeah, so happy.
Mom.
Oh, that's the greater thing.
Yeah, cool.
Oh, you couldn't
Yeah,
see the
that's pretty
picture?
crazy.
Do you want to see it?
I'm like, it's like,
Oh, sorry.
it's like drinking
It's
out
an
of my beer, but I
African
don't want
gray.
to touch my
See the
beer.
African gray?
I know it's gonna bite me.
Is that the owner?
Yeah, he's the only one that bird loves.
Yeah, I love it.
Everybody else in the family.
Instead of doing this, stick your whole arm in there, and it'll hurt less biting your arm than just your finger. Yeah.
Because he just says let it bite you one time. He says as soon as he bites you real hard, he doesn't feel like you're scared.
Yeah.
He says he won't bite you again. He goes he'll nibble, but he won't bite you again. I'm
You
like,
don't know for sure.
I
The
don't
bird
know.
don't know that rule.
Well, I'm like, I don't know if I want him to bite me once really hard.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm like, is it gonna draw blood? He goes probably. I'm like, I don't like to bleed. I bleed enough at work. I don't need to bleed again.
Yeah, they can bite hard for sure.
Oh yeah.
Grilled cheese. Nachos. Mac and cheese. No. Tacos. No. Okay, I give up. You really not think of any other food that has cheese on it? Nope. It was pizza. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Owls have long legs. No, that might be Photoshop.
They do have long legs. That is true.
Like they're wearing long dress and feathers.
Okay, I don't know if the birds can eat any of this, but let's see what they have.
What's the stuff?
We brought some food for them. Is it in your backpack, Haley? Did you bring some birdie treats for Kona and Rishi?
Yeah. That's
How you doing, Bear?
It says it's a rubber band on it. Can I take it off?
The dogs are doing good. Diva!
Hey, Dad. Do you want to switch spots?
It's all Oktoberfest like. This looks really good.
Chandler. That piece on the bottom of the cheese. Hey, y'all. You guys really cool?
Yeah, we met this lady. She's real nice. She's got orange hair. You should go over there. We can talk to her again. She like noticed like, are you homeschooled? And we said yeah. Just like she could like kind of tell.
Oh, Mom.
Mom, there's this homeschooled girl. She was like, "Are you homeschooled?" And we were like, "Yeah."
asked you that?
Yeah, she knew. She was like, "Yeah, well, usually the homeschoolers have different like interests." And like, yeah, should pick her up.
That's funny.
Yeah, she's losing them.
All right, let's go, guys. How you doing, Kona? You getting tired? We'll get ready to go here in just a little bit.
Yeah, everyone's just like staring at the birds.
I bet they love the birds. Lots of beer going on at the Oktoberfest. Oh, she looks like a homeschooler. How funny. Yo, us homeschoolers playing together. We got lots of new friends. So this is the young lady that my daughters were speaking to. And she said, "Are you homeschoolers? You guys look like you are."
Just gotta find a source of feathers.
Oh,
we
That's
know.
just like what Haley makes.
Yeah.
Okay, so now look at you have a price point, Haley. $12. It's so beautiful to have birdie diapers. All that poop is going right in here.
I was tired.
Did I touch your butt? Did I touch your butt? There's your birdie diaper. Should we see what it looks like when we get home? How much did you poop?
Oh my gosh.
It's only been a couple hours. Yeah, what a crazy, nutty, fun place, huh? All right, let's get going, guys. Your mother wasn't even gonna let me hold you. So rude.